Hello and welcome to day 17 of our Solver This, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Gareth Moore.
I'm Laura Jones.
And yesterday we discovered that day 17 was hidden here behind our slightly serious-looking robot.
Robot friend, who has a skeleton, weirdly, which we found out on an X-ray earlier.
Yes, that's true. Because it's a costume, right? It's someone wearing a costume. That's why there's a skeleton inside.
Yeah, that's not real, right?
Day 17, the first episode of Champion of Champions was aired on the 13th of December 2017. It was won by Catherine Ryan.
Cool.
Okay, right, so we have a message in here.
Ooh.
Day 17. 2 something 5, something something 13, 17. All the rooms in this sequence have something in common. Find it. I mean, they're prime numbers.
They are.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So we're missing the numbers I just said. 3. Oh, that's a super neat 3 that I've written.
Really good.
3,
Stunning.
7 and 11.
11. 3, 7, 11.
Have something in common, find it. So if we look in those rooms, it says all the rooms in this sequence.
All the rooms in this sequence have something in common.
So I'm assuming it's not just
that we're
3,
finding.
7, 11, it's all the rooms.
Yeah.
And there are quite a lot of objects in the rooms. So I guess we're going to go using my close-up cam to have a look through all the rooms. I don't know where all those rooms are. I guess the first thing to do is
So we've got to keep track of them.
all the... Oh, yeah, on the back.
Yeah.
We have actually kept track. So, 2, 7, 1. So that's these 3 here. And I'm not using 1, are we? 2 and 7 here. And 5 here. So we start looking at these 3 rooms with something in common. So, is this room 7?
Ah, these are the rooms where we've got things.
So we have coffee, pineapple, skull,
I'm going to
banana,
write these down because there's only going to be one thing that's common to
egg,
them all.
grapes. Well, it's going to be the pineapple, I think. It's looking to be above.
Coffee, pineapple,
This is
skull,
room 2.
egg, grape.
There is an egg in here. And a pineapple. And a banana. The only thing in common between those rooms, I believe, is the banana, pineapple, and egg. That's day 5 here. There's a pineapple and a banana still.
Pineapple and a banana. Great, so I'll cross out egg and grapes.
Looking for the next room.
I think there was a 2 over
There's a
here.
13 over here.
Oh, great.
The pineapple still.
Pineapple and a banana.
Yeah, pineapple and banana.
Okay.
Number 3 is over here, you say. Okay, let's look at that.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Oh, it's got a banana in as well, hasn't it? In there.
Yep, on the corner there. It's hard to see. It's
Yeah.
focused there.
We've done 11.
Well, 17's in the list as well.
Okay, great. That's a pineapple. But is there a banana?
There's a pineapple, but no banana. So we've done it.
So it's pineapple.
It's a pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple. Great.
Right, okay, great. And
seen
now
so
we're
many
looking for a
pineapples.
pineapple, have you? Well, we just need one that's
well,
actually on the calendar.
Confusingly, there is one on the calendar, but it's right here on a door that we've already opened.
Oh, you're right. In fact, there are mini pineapples. There's a pineapple here.
There is a pineapple there.
Are there any other pineapples and doors we haven't opened?
That's a golden pineapple. It's not a real pineapple. That's a pineapple trophy.
Here, off the corner of the screen, but here. Golden pineapple, you're right.
Yeah. So the real pineapple is the one on the roof that you've just pointed out.
Yeah.
So we're hoping it will say day 18
Yes.
behind it. And
It does! There we go, we solved day 17.
Yay!
Well, there we go. If you enjoyed that, do please join us tomorrow and we shall have a go on day 18.
See you
Until
there.
then, bye-bye.
Bye!